Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to backup and restore your entire PC using an external hard drive. Specifically, you'll learn how to backup your entire PC, restore your PC from a backup both when the PC boots fine and when it fails to boot, and also create a recovery USB drive which you need in order to restore backups when your PC fails to boot. This backup includes everything on your PC: the Windows OS, apps, settings, and all your personal files. We'll use only built-in tools, so no third-party apps required. Let's begin. First, let's perform a backup of your entire PC. We'll use Windows built-in tool, otherwise known as the system image tool. Plug in your external hard drive to your PC, then open Control Panel. Search for Control Panel in the search bar and select it. In Control Panel, click System and Security. Then click Backup and Restore Windows 7 to open the backup wizard. On this page, click Create a System Image on the left. Next, specify where to store your backup. Select on a hard disk and then choose your external hard drive from the drop-down. Click Next. Next, you select the drives to include in the backup. Windows will automatically select the required system drives, as we can see here, and click Start Backup to start the backup process. Windows will now create a full system image. The time to complete will vary depending on the amount of data on your selected drives. Let's allow this to run and come back once it's done. The backup has completed. This took about 12 minutes for this PC, which has about 35 GB of data in the C drive. Now, after creating a PC backup, it is highly recommended you create a recovery drive. But what is a recovery drive and why do you need it here? A recovery drive is a bootable troubleshooting and repair tool for Windows. It enables you, among other benefits, to restore your backups in cases where your PC is unable to boot up. For best practice, your backup kit should contain at least 2 drives: an external hard drive containing your PC backup data, and a USB recovery drive. Now, let's go ahead and create the recovery drive. Insert a USB drive into the PC. The USB drive should be minimum 16 GB. Now, open the recovery drive wizard. Search for recovery drive in your search bar and select it. Check Backup System Files to the recovery drive. This will add a backup of Windows itself to the recovery drive. Then click Next. It will search for the USB drives on the PC. This typically takes few minutes. Now select the USB drive. Note that existing data on the USB drive will be deleted, so make sure to back up any data you may need beforehand. Click on Next and then click Create to start the process. Windows will create a recovery drive for you. This may take a while, so we'll come back once it's done. The recovery drive is created. Now, let me show you how to restore your PC from a backup. There are 2 common restoration scenarios depending on whether your PC is able to boot normally or fails to boot. I would show both methods. First, let's look at restoring backups when your PC can boot up. For this scenario, you need only the external drive containing your PC backup data. Boot up your PC fully. Insert the external hard drive containing your PC backup data. Now, open the Settings app. Navigate to Systems, then Recovery, and then Advanced Startup. Under Advanced Startup, click on Restart Now. This will take you to the Windows recovery environment. Click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Click on Show More Recovery Options and select System Image Recovery. Windows will detect the external hard drive containing your backup data and also the latest system image on it. Now, select the system image you want to restore from this hard drive. I have just a single image on this hard drive, so I will keep the default selection and click Next. You can also select additional restore options if they are available to you, or simply click Next. Windows will reconfirm the restore action. Click Finish to start the restore process. Let's wait for this to finish. and the restore process has completed. The PC has been restored from the backup. Next, let's look at restoring backups when your PC does not boot up. This involves booting from a recovery drive and then selecting your backup image accordingly. Plug in your recovery drive USB and also the external hard drive containing your backup data. Then turn on your PC. While the PC starts up, press the boot menu key to enter the BIOS menu. In boot menu, use the arrow key to navigate and select the USB drive and press enter. Select your keyboard language. Then click troubleshoot to enter advanced options. Then select system image recovery. Choose your target operating system. In our case, we'll select Windows 11. Windows will detect the external hard drive containing your backup data and also the latest system image on it. Now, select the system image you want to restore from this hard drive. I have just a single image on this hard drive, so I will keep the default selection and click next. You can also select additional restore options if they are available to you, or simply click next to just restore your PC only. Windows will reconfirm the restore action. Click finish to start the restore process. Let's wait for this to finish. And the restore process has completed. The PC has been restored from the backup. And that's how you create a backup of your entire PC and restore it, whether the PC boots or not. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.